The dust has settled on the lens again. I'm watching ghosts dance across the floor. The same 3 minutes on a jagged loop of how you looked before you reached the door. The cooling fan is humming in my chest. It's getting louder than the quiet room. I'm tired of seeing how we used to be before the garden ran out of room to bloom. My fingers hover near the silver switch. I'm terrified of what the dark will bring. But I can't keep living in the flicker of a faded, hollow technicolor thing. I'm reaching for the cable and the warm. I'm cutting off the part and the pain. I've seen every frame of how we had it all, and every frame of how we went insane. It's a heavy cord to pull. It's a long way down to the silence where your voice used to be. I'm unplugging the memory machine before the memory unplugs me. There's a glitch in the way you say my name, a digital stutter in your Sunday smile. I try to pause it just to keep you here, just to hold the ghost for a little while. But the wires are frayed and the screen is burnt and the colors are bleeding into gray. The more I watch, the less I can remember why I ever wanted you to stay. shapes are old, just a click, then the dark. I'm finally free.